Hi guys. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will help to set up Ring security camera. Let's start. First, download the Ring app on your mobile, from App Store or Play Store. Then install it. After app installation, create or log into your Ring account. To create an account, open the Ring app. Then, select Create Account option. Follow the in-app instructions to create a new account. Open the Ring app to the main dashboard. Scroll to the bottom and tap Set up a device. Here, select Security Cams. Locate the QR code on the back of the Ring camera. Then tap I'm ready to scan, and scan the QR code with your mobile device. In the next, add your location and select a default name for your Ring security camera. Now, connect Ring security camera to Wi-Fi. For a secure connection, press the Setup button on the device. When the light is flashing, then join the Ring network. Now, select your Wi-Fi network. Here, enter your Wi-Fi password. Now, you can continue setup in the Ring app to customize your device. The Ring security camera setup is completed. If your Ring camera not working, or you need any kind assistance, then you can reach us. Thanks for watching.